Do you sleep easily, or do you have insomnia? Have you ever heard that a good night's sleep can cure anything? Have you ever asked yourself why sleeping well is so important? When we talk about health, poor sleep can increase the risk of heart diseases, heart failure, high blood pressure, strokes, and diabetes. Some people even say that poor sleep reduces sexual appetite. Did you know that? But even though they know how important it is to sleep, many people still have trouble falling asleep and can't have a good night of rest. Did you know that stress and anxiety are the causes of poor sleep? When you are stressed or anxious, your brain can't stop working, not even for a second, and that puts your mind in a constant state of alert. However, these 2 exercises can help you fall asleep faster and sleep better. The first exercise is a breathing technique that we have already mentioned on the channel. According to a study, regulating your breathing helps you fall asleep in only 60 seconds. Did you know that? To fall asleep using your breathing, you first need to exhale all the air through your mouth. Close your mouth and breathe through your nose for 4 seconds. Hold your breath and count to 7. Then release the air through your mouth and count to 8. Repeat the 4-7-8 cycle 3 times more. This technique allows the oxygen to fill the lungs. The extra oxygen has a relaxing effect on the nervous system, triggering a state of calm. To fall asleep in 1 minute, you need to repeat this breathing technique twice a day for 6 to 8 weeks. Are you enjoying the video? Leave a comment to let us know if we are contributing to inform you. Don't forget to like the video and share it with your friends. The second method to fall asleep requires a rubber hammer and your heels. You will need to locate a pressure point on your heel, which is very easy. Place the thumb of the hand opposite the foot you will hammer over the lateral malleolus. Place your index finger in the middle of your heel and you will find the point. Now gently hammer the pressure point for a minute until you start getting sleepy. This point can also help in cases of headaches, lumbar pain, edema on the lower members, even in case of nephritis, high blood pressure, and albuminuria. Interesting, isn't it? If you have insomnia, try one of these exercises. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.